Hello friends. So the summer is here and you must be enjoying the summer fruits like mango and watermelon. Watermelon is so nice and juicy and refreshing in summer. We usually eat the fruit part, fleshy part, and throw away the rind. Lots can be done with this rind. We can make curries, we can make pickles, we can make halwa. So today I'm going to make watermelon rind curry. In the upcoming videos we shall do more recipes with the rind. So let's proceed to make the watermelon rind curry. Let us start with peeling and cutting the watermelon rind. Take a sharp knife and remove the black outer skin of the watermelon. And the white fleshy part will be used to make the curry. It's nice, thick and fleshy, and it really tastes like bottle gourd actually. Cut it into small pieces. Use as much as you require. We can take it as 1 cup per person. Here I have about 2 cups of watermelon rind, peeled and cut into cubes. 3 tomatoes, medium sized. Handful of coriander leaves. And here I have 2-3 pinches of Asafoetida. Coriander powder, about 1 teaspoon. Kashmiri chilli powder, half teaspoon. Amchoor powder, half teaspoon. Cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. And here for the tempering we have Panch Phoran, which is 5 spices, whole spices. We use anise seeds, mustard seeds, onion seeds, methi seeds and cumin seeds. Equal quantity, 1/4 teaspoon each. And oil as needed, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Salt to taste. Now let's proceed to make the curry. Place a pan on the gas. Add the oil. When the oil is hot, first add the Asafoetida. It gives out lovely flavors. Then dip in the Panch Phoran, the 5 mixed spices. Whole spices, we use them as whole. On the medium flame, continue to stir them till they give out a nice aroma. Then we dip in the tomatoes. Cover the lid so that the tomatoes are soft and cooked a bit. Continue to cook for a minute or so until they are soft. Now mash them lightly with the spatula. Add the salt. Turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, red chilli powder, Kashmiri red chilli powder. If you like it spicy, you can use the normal chilli powder, but Kashmiri chilli powder also gives good color to the curry. Mix everything well. add little bit of water so that all the spices are cooked and incorporated with the tomatoes. I'm going to cover it again for a little bit of time. Now, after 1 minute, open the lid and check it out. The texture is very nice. The tomatoes are done. At this stage, you can add the watermelon rind pieces. Saute it for a minute or so. Cover it and simmer for a little while until they are slightly tender. After sauteing it, now we can add little water for cooking. Add about 1 or 1.5 cups of water. If you want it thick, then you can add 1 cup, which is sufficient to make a dry version of the curry. I want a little gravy, so I've added 1.5 cups. Now cover it again and let it simmer. Halfway through, you open, check for the salt. Add if needed. Again, place the lid and then allow the curry to cook. After about 6 or 7 minutes, you can see that the gravy is thicker and the curry is also nearly done. You can insert a knife to check if the pieces are cooked. Once they are done, finally you add the Amchoor powder or dry mango powder and add some fresh coriander leaves. If you like it sweet and sour, you can add a little bit of sugar or jaggery also, but I did not add it because the watermelon is slightly sweeter as it is. Now the curry is ready. Let's dish it out. This curry can be served with rice or rotis, anything. Since I am serving it with rotis, I have kept the gravy thicker. This consistency will go well with rotis. Again, garnish with little coriander leaves before serving. The delicious watermelon rind curry is ready for you. Make and enjoy. Give it a try, friends. I'm sure you're going to like it. It's very easy to make and a nice way, innovative way of using the rind. Serve it with rotis or pulaus, rice also can be served along with this. Friends, check out these videos. You may like them.